Hey everybody, it has been a while. I know I look a little rough, but I said I'm not about to get all fancy dancy just to record a video, whatever, because this video is just giving a life update of where Team Padilla has been and what we're doing now and what's going on. So that's what this video is about. So we've been gone because life was lifing, but thank God was guiding. So we've made it through and we're doing really well. Right now we are, of course, in our home. We have been here since June of 2021. So it is July 2023. I'm going to just give a recap of what we've experienced these past 2 years living here in our new home, as far as renovations, as far as the business, as far as family growth, whatever, all that stuff. So I'm also going to be posting more content that I recorded during our time away, because I recorded it but I never posted because, like I said, life was lifing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, liking, and following us on this journey of building a business as home improvement and interior design specialist, as well as navigating through life. Alrighty, so enjoy the video. Hey y'all, so I know it's been a while. I am actually sitting here in our house. We are currently living in it while we're doing the renovations. I'm currently sitting in what is my front room. If you can see behind me, that's the stairs that need to be finished. The drywall still needs to go on that, and the ceiling. We still got a ways to go, but we actually have made some really great progress. I'm pretty excited of how far we've gotten as far as hey pretty kitty, as far as our renovations. I know I look a little rough. My mom's birthday was last night, and we were up for a very long time celebrating her here at the house, playing with the game night. So I didn't slick my edges. I didn't do nothing. I just sat because I wanted to give an update. It's been a while. I know I promised a house tour. I will do that. Probably in this vlog. I'm not too sure. But as for today, we got all our necessities taken care of. Plumbing, lights, gas, all that. But then our furnace, our furnace went out during a flood. Our basement flooded when we had a really bad rainstorm, and so the furnace was working a little bit after that. But then I guess one of the blowers got wet, and it went. It still works. It just needs the blower to be replaced. So that's something that we're working on. But for the meantime, we have like a whole bunch of heaters going, because this house is huge and we still have holes that need to be plugged up. Not too many that we had before, but we do have drywall and stuff to be put up in certain rooms, and so air is seeping out, but we're taking care of that this week. I know I talk about people with children and white couches. This couch is actually given to us by a family member. It has a lot of stains on it because they had a toddler in their home as well, but they're really great couches. Like, they're less than 2 years old. They just white with stains. So what I'm going to do eventually is paint them or dye them. But yeah, we have really been blessed when it comes to furnishing the house and getting the things that we need. It's an understatement of how blessed we really are when it comes to this house and how we even got in here and the work other people put in behind getting us in here just so we could get into our very first home. So we're very, very grateful and thankful for that. As far as the house goes, be a little tour. This is how we're living now, how we're making do with what we have, and eventually we know that it's going to be better. Now keep in mind, when you see the designs of the decoration and stuff, it's not my final design, it's just what was done for now. So I'm standing in what it would be the foyer. See, this is where we took down the wall, and we gotta get that fixed. We have, listen, this is the ghettoest ghetto out here, but we had to put a plastic bag on the back of the chute mail slot because all of the air that was coming in, making the house cold. We have to get a new slot. We might have to get a new door. I honestly want a double door, but I have to submit permits to the historical district. I guess it was dripping. Nah, see, he told me he fixed that. Look at that. So this is where the porch sits. We had to foam it up. He even cemented it outside. We have so many issues with this dag blasted porch. It's ridiculous. All this stuff has to be fixed and replaced. So we put this stuff up just for the holidays because it has to be taken down because there's more lights that has to go here. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. So this is actually temporary. Don't think we just doing janky work around here. No, this is temporary until after the holidays. We trying to close up holes, people. It's cold. Anyway, we have to take this up, re-cement this, and level this out. All this has to be leveled out because we're going to lay new laminate flooring without. So I'm taking a long time in this foyer. Let me keep going. That's the cat's bed. He's so spoiled. But then when we got the couches, he decides to do this. And this is what I was talking about with the stains. I tried to clean it and I made it worse. So it wasn't as bad as this. It was, but it wasn't. But it made it worse. So anyway, but I know they're good couches, and I know who they came from. So, and I know they take really good care of their stuff, and they were pissed that this happened. But what you gonna do with a brand new Tyler in the house? This is what it currently looks like now. I'm standing in the dining room, I'm trying to get everything. This freaking is big. It's just big. So let me see if I can zoom out and show everything. Nope. Anyway, so that's what it looks like so far. This wall, this is still naked because of course this is coming out. That's why this is still like that. But we are not moving these walls because we found out that we have some issues in the basement with supporting beams and supporting joists that have to be addressed before this wall can be removed. Actually, before any more walls or anything can be removed, because the house is sinking. Yes, I said what I said. The house is sinking. But this is the kitchen area. Let me take you to the dining room first. So it's the dining room. It's still got to be done. Like I said, game night last night. I really didn't clean up. Whatever. Ceiling still needs to be done. So the plumbing work was not finished in the basement. We literally have to rip up the entire basement floor because the plumbing has to be replaced, like the whole sewer system. Heater, told you. All right, so as far as this is what we're working with in the kitchen. Nothing. Bare minimum, say no. But I set it up, so this is how we're functioning right now in the kitchen. I'm making it do what it do with what I have. I'm not apologizing for it. I'm making it do what it do. See, party. Jose and my mama. Anyway, I'm making it do what it do with what we have. And it's working for now. It's temporary, so I ain't worried about it. I'm not stressing about it. We replaced the beams that need to be replaced for this wall right here. And what else? So the hallway is the most, no, I get to the most finished room. And the second stairway that needs to be to the basement, up the stairs. My sister and them are here. Face room, we ain't going in there. And then this. So that was the tour of our first floor of the house. Like I said, niece and nephew in the game room being loud, playing games, so I ain't going in there. I'll do that another day. That's kind of sort of finished, but it's not. What else? Still gotta put, so above this is our bedroom, the master bedroom. So we're gonna put insulation. Yes, daughter. Oh, somebody want to catch these hands. Hey, what are you doing? Homie. What are you looking at? How can you even see?
Because he wants to see the peoples.
What peoples?
The house.
That's what's happening? My God. All right. Anyway, so I'm going to end this vlog here and get this cat up off this piano because he ain't supposed to be climbing on nothing around my house. But anyway, catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully I can do some more regular ones so you guys can see the progress. And also all the projects we're working on because we're working on a lot. So yeah. Thanks you guys for rocking with us, and I'll see you in the next one.